Today I'm going to show you a very cool extension in VS Code. As you guys know, VS Code is cool, and I'm working on a project for you guys, food order app, which I will share with you. And as you can see, the highlighted colors in my colors file, as you can see, showing me the color. So I just want to tell you guys how you can add into your VS Code. So you just have to type color and highlight. So as you can see, I have already installed it, but it's asking me to reload the export to remove it. You just install it, and you can disable if you want. You can reload and see the colors are gone. And if you want the colors back, you can go again and check the color, highlight, and so let me just search it. If you want to see your disabled extensions in VS Code, you just have to tap this icon and just go to disable, and you will have all list of the disabled extensions you have. Let's just enable it, and let's just go to our colors folder, and you can see it's showing me the exact colors which I have here. So just a cool, really good extension.